Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm about to show you a potent hair growth treatment that will help you achieve a beautiful, healthy, thick and shiny hair. I'm going to show you what to use and how to use it to achieve a thick and healthy hair. This will help revive your hair and reduce any form of loss. It has helped me get my hair back from the stage where it was falling out, looking thin and unhealthy. So if you've been wanting to grow your hair, I'm going to show you a treatment that will help you achieve a long and healthy hair. The first ingredient for this growth spray is rosemary. You can use the fresh leaves or the dried ones. In this video, I'll be using the dried rosemary leaves. These leaves create an optimal environment for hair to grow. It also reduces inflammation and enhances blood circulation. These leaves can be used alone for hair growth sprays or hair growth oil. Rosemary can be mixed with some extras like almond oil, dried lavender flowers, marshmallow roots, and sage leaves. Each addition brings its own special benefit to an already beneficial product. The next ingredient for this hair treatment is cinnamon. Its sticks or powder can be used for this hair growth treatment. This Ayurveda contains a compound that may stimulate hair follicles and help with hair growth. It protects the scalp and hair from inflammation and dandruff. Its antimicrobial properties help prevent scalp infection. Lastly, we'll be adding cloves. Cloves improve blood circulation in the scalp, which help deliver nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles. It lowers hair breakage and enhances hair quality. It also helps maintain a healthy scalp environment by reducing the risk of infections and conditions that can impede hair growth. For the measurement, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of all 3 ingredients. I love to use these treatments fresh, so I make enough for just 2 days or 4 days at most. After adding 1 spoon of each 3 ingredients, I'll be adding hot water to these ingredients. So what hot water does is, hot water allows the nutrient to penetrate into the water. So I'll be leaving this for about 12 hours so that the nutrients from all 3 ingredients can penetrate the water. Please guys, do not leave this for more than 12 hours. Just 12 hours is enough. After 12 hours, I used a cheesecloth to strain this. Sorry guys, I skipped that part because I was hurrying off to work, so I didn't have the time to set my camera, wash my cheesecloth or do all those. But you know what to use. Use the cheesecloth for the straining to avoid the particles of the ingredients getting into your water. You want your water fresh and clean from every particles, yeah? So I'll be using this, my measuring cup, because it has a notch that makes it easy for me to transfer my hair treatment into my spray bottle. The next thing I'll be doing is to put this into my spray bottle. Please always shake well before using this treatment, because if you were paying attention, you will notice that there was a little bit of residue at the end of the cup while pouring it. Oh, okay. I showed it here. Yes. So this is it. So make sure that before you apply this treatment to your hair, you shake it very well, because this residue is actually where your nutrient lies. After transferring this to my spray bottle, I'll go ahead to cover that up, shake it a bit, and spray it on my hands. The next thing we'll be doing is applying this on our hair. I'm saying our hair because I'm expecting you to also make your hair treatment after watching this video. As you already know, I love to apply this spray first on my edges and then to the rest of my hair. I love focusing first on my edges because I didn't used to have edges. My edges were bad. If you watched from the beginning of the video, you will see how bad my edges were. So most times when I'm making this Ayurvedic treatment, I focus on my edges. So after my edges, I focus on the rest part of my hair, like the rest of my scalp, like my nape, my crown, and then to my hair. So many people ask me questions like, where should I apply this? Should I apply this to my nape, to my hair or to my scalp. I'm like, apply it to every part of your hair. The next step is to massage this treatment into your hair. Do not forget to massage every herbal treatment you use on your hair into your hair, as massaging helps this treatment work well. Forgive me for always skipping my leave-in conditioner. After applying your leave-in conditioner, then you move to the oil. I'll be using argan oil. This argan oil has been effective since I started using it. It repairs and rejuvenates dry hair. So guys, if you don't have it, make sure you get it. I'm trying to show you how the oil looks like so that when you get to the mall or something, you'll be able to get it. At a point, I showed you the carton or the pack of this. So guys, do well to get this argan oil. It's thick and it also works well for the hair. So I'll start applying this on my edges again because my edges are actually very weak. So I love to focus on them when treating my hair. After applying to my edges, I apply to the rest of my scalp. And then I also go ahead to massage this oil into my hair. Please do not be like me. Do not forget to apply your leave-in conditioner before applying your oil, the LCO method. Your liquid, which is our herbal treatment, your cream, which is supposed to be your leave-in, and the oil, which is the step I'm doing presently. Also apply this oil onto your hair, not only on your scalp. Apply it onto your hair, to the ends of your hair, which are the weakest parts of your hair, and just apply it generously to your entire hair. You can use this treatment as a leave-in spray. You can also use it as a tea rinse, which is after shampooing your hair and deep conditioning your hair. The last step, you just use this water to rinse out your hair. The next step is my favorite, which is my massaging. I've tried looking for the electric. I think it's electric or it uses battery. I've tried looking for it everywhere and I haven't found it. So I'll just make do with what I have, which is this manual scalp massager. If you don't have a scalp massager, I'll advise you to get it. Using your hands are not really enough. So get a scalp massager. So after all my treatments, applying, massaging, and all, the last step is to massage my hair generously. I take my time to massage my hair even more than I take my time to apply this treatment. So please consider taking your time to massage your hair. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, please subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you love this video. Share to your friends and family that need help with their hair growth. And I'm going to see you on my next one. I love you and bye.